At this age, play is how children learn. And our kids, they're learning something new every single day. Our pre-K program is play-based, but it's also research-based. There's a purpose behind everything that we do. We're building the foundations for kindergarten and beyond, school skills and social skills. And thanks to our community support, pre-K is more accessible than ever. Thanks to public support for our 2023 referendum, all MCCSC districted families qualify for at least half the cost of MCCSC pre-K, no matter your income, or a stipend for partner providers. If your child turns 4 by August 1st, they are eligible to enroll in pre-K for the upcoming school year. Enrollment starts soon, and we'd love to have you in our class. Join us at our pre-K and kindergarten open house.